Good morning children, my name is SUMALATHA. I am the maths teacher of KAKATIYA public school. Today the geometry topic only we are going to learn one more new topic here, polygons. Polygon is nothing but here. A polygon is a simple closed figure made up of line segment. It is a closed figure with the line segment. See, for example, here three-sided closed figure is three-sided polygon is triangle. Four-sided polygon is quadrilateral. Like that, five-sided polygon pentagon, and six-sided polygon is hexagon, and seven-sided polygon is heptagon, eight-sided polygon is octagon, nine-sided polygon is nanogon, and 10-sided polygon is decagon. Already we learned in the previous video also. See children, here once again I am repeating about the polygon here. Polygon is nothing but a polygon is a simple closed figure with a made up of only line segments. So it is a polygon. And now three-sided polygon is triangle, four-sided polygon is quadrilateral, and five-sided polygon is pentagon, six-sided polygon is hexagon. Now we are going to learn about the triangle. Already I gave you the definition of triangle and I show you the triangle shape also in the previous video. Now you see the triangle nothing but a polygon with a three-sided is called a triangle. A polygon, already in the before I said you polygon nothing but a closed shape with the line segments. Now triangle means a polygon with a three-sided is called the triangle. Now see here, three-sided polygon means what? A closed. It's a closed shape and it should have the line segments. And how many line segments we have here? Three. So it is a triangle, three-sided polygon. It is a three children here. Now we are going to learn about the types of triangles. We have types of triangles on the basis of sides and on the basis of angles also. First we are learning about the types of triangles on the basis of sides. Now you see here, on the basis of sides we have three types of triangles. First, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle nothing but all sides are equal. See, observe this figure here. All sides are equal. For example, one side's length you have taken here 1, and one more is next side also it should be 1, and next side it should be also 1. Okay, see here, observe. For example, I have taken 2 centimeters sided. So here 2 centimeters means here also 2 centimeters and here also 2 centimeters. So these types of triangles are called as an equilateral triangle. So what again I am repeating children, all sides are equal in the equilateral triangle. Now isosceles triangle. Second one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle nothing but here two sides are equal. Means in the three-sided figure, two sides are equal. See here, this side length, for example, if I am taking here 1.5 and this side also 1.5, this one I am taking as a different, means 1, for example 1. So here you see the symbol also you can see, this symbol I kept as the same, and this is I marked as a 2 lines. Means two sides are equal. So here 1.5, here 1.5, here 1. One more figure I will show you here. You can take this also. For example, here 3, 3. These two sides I am taking as 3 and this I am taking as a 1.5 or 1. Okay. So examples I am taking. I am not taking exact length there. So isosceles triangle nothing but two sides are equal in the triangle. Now third one is scalene triangle. Here scalene triangle nothing but all sides are unequal. Unequal nothing but all sides are different. Here you see scalene triangle, again I am repeating, all sides are unequal. Unequal nothing but here you can see here I get the 1 mark, here 2 marks and here 3 marks. Means all sides should be different. For example, here I am taking as a 1. Here for example I am taking as 1. Here 3. Here 4. So 3 sided lengths are different. Okay. Here one side length is 1, one side length is 3, one side length is 4. Like this. These are the 3 types of triangles on the basis of sides. Okay, here I talked about all sides only. Once again I am repeating, equilateral triangle nothing but all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Now isosceles triangle nothing but any two sides are equal. Any two sides are you can take as a equal. Okay, third side is different. Now scalene triangle nothing but here all sides are unequal. Nothing but all sides are different. Means 3 sides whatever you are taking you should take as a different lengths. Okay. Now types of triangles again we are taking here. Now on the basis of angles. Now we are taking on the basis of angles. Okay. Now on the basis of angles also we have 3 types. Acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle nothing but all angles are acute. All angles are acute. Okay. Now here you can see this type of angles. For example, here one more angle, one more figure I am putting here. Now here you can take as a 50, here you can take as a 60, and here you can take as a 70. Now whatever the angles I have taken here, all acute angles I took. Acute nothing but here below the 90 degrees. Here 50 is below the 90 and 60 also below the 90 and 70 also below the 90. Means all angles are acute angle. Nothing but acute angled triangle. Now second one is obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle nothing but here one angle is obtuse. One angle is obtuse. Obtuse nothing but here between the 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Now here you can see here one more figure I am drawing here with the angles. So here 120 I am taking and here 20, here 40. So this all whatever I took here, one angle is obtuse I already said. Here one angle 120 degrees I took. Which is lying between the 90 to 180. This is obtuse angle, and the remaining other other you can take as a acute angle or other angles you can take. Now right angled triangle. Right angled triangle nothing but one angle is right angle. Means in the 3 angles one angle you should take as a right angle. For example, one angle you are taking as a right angle, nothing but 90 degrees. So the other two you will get 45, 45 or 50, 40 like that. But in the 3 angles one should be 90 degrees. So one angle is right angle nothing but 90 degrees. Once again I am repeating, acute angled triangle nothing but all angles are acute which is below the 90 degrees. Obtuse angled triangle nothing but one angle is obtuse angle, and right angled triangle nothing but one angle is right angle. Polygon children here quadrilaterals, already I said you, a polygon with 4-sided figure. A polygon with 4-sided figure is called a quadrilaterals. See for example squares, already I said you here. Square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium. This all are the quadrilaterals. Why? Because here a square has 4 sides 1, 2, 3, 4 and rectangle also 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 parallelogram. And rhombus 1, 2, 3, 4, and trapezium also 1, 2, 3, 4. Four-sided figures. These all are the a polygon, and that too closed figures with the line segments. So a polygon with a four-sided figure is called a quadrilaterals. These all are the examples of the quadrilaterals. Now we are going to learn about the types of quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals. Now first one is square here. Square nothing but here already I told you square means. Here you can see the square, all sides are equal, and we have some properties of square here. See, opposite sides are parallel. Parallel nothing but here in the same way it should move. Now here you see these two, top and bottom, these two lines are parallel, and left and right, these two line segments are parallel. So it is satisfying this property. Opposite sides are parallel. Now all sides are equal. All sides are equal. You can see here by the marks also here. 1 means, for example, 1, 1, 1, 1 each line segment I am taking as the 1 means all sides are equal, and equally I am taking all sides line segments lengths are equal. Now all angles are right angles. All angles are right angles. Now you can observe here angle is 90 degrees here, and here also 90 degrees, here also 90 degrees, here also 90 degrees. Means a square is satisfying these properties. Once again I am repeating the properties. Opposite sides are parallel. Means top and bottom should be parallel, and left and right should be parallel line segments. All sides are equal. Means all four sides are, it should be equal. Now all angles are right angles. Means here you can see here all angles should be right angle, nothing but 90 degrees. So it is a square. Now type of quadrilateral is rectangle and its properties. See here, this is the shape of the rectangle. Opposite sides are parallel in the rectangle. See here, opposite sides are parallel. Top and bottom are parallel, and left and right are parallel. Now opposite sides are equal. You can see here. For example, here you have taken 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters means opposite sides should be equal, and here 1, 1 also you can take. These two are equal. All angles are right angle. All angles right, nothing but here right angle, nothing but 90 degrees here. So opposite sides are parallel. Top and bottom are parallel, and also left and right are parallel. Next, opposite sides are equal. Means top and bottom line segments lengths are equal, and left and right line segments are equal. Now all angles are right angles. Right angles nothing but all angles which are forming here in the right angle rectangle is 90 degrees. Now next quadrilateral is rhombus. Now you can see the shape of the rhombus here and its properties. Opposite sides are parallel. Here opposite sides are parallel. You can see these two are into the parallel shape, and these two are into the parallel shape. So opposite sides are parallel. Now all sides are equal. All sides length should be equal here also. All sides length should be equal. So it's a rhombus. Again I am repeating its properties. Opposite sides are parallel. Means these two should be the parallel, and these two line segments should be the parallel, and all sides are equal. Whatever you are taking all line segments, its length should be equal. It's a next quadrilateral is parallelogram. Now its properties. Now here you can see the shape of the parallelogram. Now opposite sides are parallelogram. Its properties. Opposite sides are parallelogram. This top and bottom should be into the parallel, and left and right line segment should be into the parallel. Now opposite sides are equal. Here also top and bottom line segments length should be equal, and left and right line segment length should be equal. Again I am repeating, opposite sides are parallel. Top and bottom should be parallel. Left line segment and right line segment should be parallel, and opposite sides are equal. Means top and bottom line segment is length is equal, and left side and right side line segments length should be equal. So these are the properties of parallel. Next type of quadrilateral is trapezium, children. Here now its properties and its shape. It looks like this trapezium. Now what is its property? One pair of opposite sides is parallel. One pair of opposite sides is parallel. Means top and bottom should be the parallel. Okay. Top and bottom are left and right also. It can be the parallel here. So what's the condition? One pair. Any one pair of opposite sides, that too. Okay. Opposite side should be parallel. So this is the preposition.